Well, howdy there, partner. Welcome to Factory Line B. The name's W.M. Duke, and I'll be your supervisor for the day.
Oh, look, Splody. Is that your new friend?
What in tarnation? Who said that? Well, you're a weird little feller, ain't you? And it seems the machine forgot your mouthpiece.
Don't be sad, Splody. At least the machine didn't give you an oversized mustache. He must be compensating for something. Like those tiny legs.
Well, the mustache helps with my balance. Sweet mother of warfare, you're a live one. Hold on there, Duke will save you. What in the hat nap? Yeah!